Okay, the finance team needs to know, are you token maxing this one?
Yeah, honestly, I think everyone is. Everyone is spending a ton of money on AI, and none of the AI companies are there to help you figure out how much you're spending, and that's exactly where Ramp fits in. So Ramp AI Spend Intelligence helps you track all of your AI spending in one central place. The finance team can tell exactly how much you're spending on OpenAI, Anthropic, OpenRouter, Light LLM, and it's one place to see all your projects and all your usage. AI companies really track by token usage, usually about 1 million input versus output tokens. It's not really easy to reason about this as a normal human, regular guy. You basically have these simple AI products that people have built internally, and they're quietly ballooning in size as they get more usage. You also have a bunch of background processes that might be running with whatever Claude Code instance or OpenAI Codex instance that you're running in the background. And this can basically be invisible from you day to day. So we built one central dashboard for people to track all their AI spend. Ramp has always kind of been a company focused on saving people time and money, whether it's your travel spending or your restaurant spending. This is just another growing item on a company's balance sheet. And so we want to make sure Ramp is the best product for that.